Morning to all of you. We were thinking that lot many officers are becoming victim of coronavirus because of our nature of job. And yesterday, 2-3 days back in fact, Ramesh was the first to organize a welcome ceremony in which almost 35 to 40 people of South Zone, Central Zone, East Zone, traffic home guards, they all were felicitated at DCP East Zone office, and it was a very good feeling. Similarly, Joint CP West Zone AR Srinivas organized a similar welcome ceremony at Banjara Hill, where large number of police officers had come back and reported for duty. Banjara Hill, as all of you are familiar, lot many newspaper articles had come about Banjara Hill, and somehow they had created blown out of proportion the situation. But when all the constables who spoke there before media, it was a very good feeling that yes, a sense of confidence, trust was spread not only among police families, police officers, but also in the community. Today also, I thought what could be a better opportunity to have the half-yearly firing practice. So yesterday when we were trying for range availability at Greyhounds and TSPA, it was not available because of their own commitment. So then I spoke to Mr. Raghunandan IAS, and he was kind enough to make available this range at a short notice. So on this occasion, I also welcome 3 of our senior officers who were infected by virus, Additional CP Crime, Law and Order, and Joint CP SB to this shooting practice also, and welcome back to duty. So I request all of you, you are aware that unless until somebody is having some serious comorbidity issue, otherwise there is nothing to worry about. Time and again everyone has been talking about it, that this is just like a normal flu. To many people even temperature does not come much. So 90-95% people, it just comes and goes away with some minor symptoms here and there. So I welcome all the 3 senior officers. Tarun is not seen. Where is he? Firing loader. Okay. So now I request the senior most victim of the virus is Shikha Goyal. So I request her to cut the cake and do the celebrations. Huh? See